Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my YT Marketer review. This is an high-ticket product put together by Chris Derenberger. Now, this is a make money online product, but we can actually talk about this in a number of ways, which I'm going to get into in a short while. Now, you're going to find a link right down below in this in the description of this video that actually takes you to my bonus page that shows all the bonuses that I'm actually offering with YT Marketer. So now there are a number of ways to actually make money online, especially with YouTube. One of them is becoming a YouTube partner, where you actually sign up for monetization and then you create content. You can actually monetize your content with YouTube. They place ads on your videos and stuff like that, and then you get paid, per 1,000 views. Now there are other ways that allow you to make money without you signing up for the monetization stuff, which is what I do. One of them is what I do on this channel, which is making affiliate sales. I basically do product reviews and then offer bonuses, and then you can actually make affiliate sales that way. Now, whichever one you do, there are pros and cons to this. For example, if you are doing reviews, you would need to know how to rank your videos. If you don't rank your videos, if your videos are not ranking, you are not going to get traffic, and then you are not going to get sales. And also for the monetization, you basically need to have at least 1,000 subscribers or so, and then get up to maybe 4,000 watch hours, within 12 months and stuff like that. Now, this, would definitely act as a barrier and would stop so many people from being able to achieve this goal. Essentially, this is a gold mine if you are able to achieve any of these goals, basically. So I've known Chris now for up to 3 years or thereabout, and is someone, if you are talking about the monetization, he knows it. If you are talking about doing affiliate marketing on YouTube, he has a ton of experience with this, and that is the reason why I decided to actually jump on this one. Now I'm going to let Chris explain the product itself to you, because he's actually the best person to actually explain what this product is. But in a nutshell, this is a money maker. Now, even if you have zero experience, there's no point struggling and actually buying a ton of low ticket offers without getting results. YT Marketer actually shows you the pros and cons, the ins and outs, and everything you need, and also gives you the tools that help you start making a ton of money online. So right now I'm going to let you see how YT Marketer works and what it all contains.
And in this video, what I want to do is take you inside of my course and show you exactly what you're going to get. Now, if you don't know who I am, I've been in YouTube marketing since about 2013, full-time, earning 6 figures a year. In fact, this year I will actually be earning 7 figures between the revenue from my ads on my YouTube accounts and from affiliate sales. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching in YT Marketer, is how to do that. So inside of my course here, this is the membership area. And there's a training section. There's also a Facebook group. If you decide to join that, it is going to be a monthly membership, because that's where I'm going to be sharing details about my own YouTube channels, new things that I'm learning, what I'm doing, as well as you earning prizes. So if we scroll down through here, YT Marketer is broke up into 2 different sections. The first one is monetizing a YouTube channel. So for those of you who have been trying to get a YouTube channel monetized with YouTube ads so you can earn from every view of your videos, I'm going to show you how you can do that in as fast as 9 days. In fact, I have a full case study in this section that shows you how I took a brand new YouTube channel from beginning to end and had it monetized in 9 days. And you're going to see how after just a few days after that, I was already earning revenue from the ads and affiliate commissions from products that I'm promoting on these YouTube channels. So if we go through here, you can look at the training and see what you're going to get. I'm going to go through and explain everything about setting up a YouTube channel. So if you're new to YouTube, Don't worry about it. I'm going to take you through step by step, show you how to get everything set up on it. I'm going to show you how to customize your channel. I talk about creating videos and the types of videos you need to have in order to be monetized. There's certain types of videos that YouTube really likes. It's what they're looking for. And if you're doing something other than this, there's a good chance you may not get monetized. I want to show you also how to outsource videos if you don't want to create them yourself. I go over the process of uploading videos, how to properly optimize them. I'm also going to show you how I get the watch time and the subscribers really fast to get my accounts approved for monetization. I set up a whole second YouTube channel and go over this process again so you can see exactly what I'm doing and that it does work over and over again. In fact, you're going to see the videos that I'm uploading to these channels. You're going to see how I upload the videos. Everything is step by step over the shoulder, and I'm not leaving anything out. I even added an update video in here where I take you into both of these YouTube channels over the period from beginning to end as they're getting monetized so you can see what's going on with them. The Getting Approved video is going to show you just that. It's going to talk about the things that YouTube looks for when they manually review your account and how to get your account set up and ready to be approved manually. After that, I'm going to give you an update with my 3-week results on these two channels, how they're already earning income from both revenue from ads as well as affiliate commissions. Then I'm going to talk about the analytics and the different types of ads you can have on your YouTube channel, and then the recommended niches you should be involved in if you want the highest CPM possible for earnings. CPM is basically how much advertisers are going to pay per 1,000 views, and depending on the niche you pick, this can be as low as $2 per 1,000 views, or I even have some channels that range between $60 and $80 CPM, all the way up to points where I've hit up to $155 CPM. The next part of this training, I'm going to be taking you inside and showing you how I rank YouTube videos. So for many of you, you've seen that I've done launch jacking in the past. I've won numerous competitions over and over again simply because I would outrank all of my competitors. In about 2016, 2017, I started my own YouTube ranking service. I now have clients all over the world, both individuals and businesses, who buys my services for me to rank their videos, and I'm going to show you how I do that in this section. So first, we're going to go over understanding YouTube and the algorithm so you know what YouTube looks for when ranking videos. Then I'm going to go into the proper optimization of your videos that's going to help them to even get ranked more and for more keywords. In the Boost Your Rankings video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do with any video you upload on your YouTube channel. And for those that are more competitive of keywords, I'm going to show you how to use CTR or click-through rate to drastically increase your rankings in YouTube for your videos. And I prove this with a second case study of where I upload a video on a newer YouTube channel that only has 5 other videos, and I'm able to move it from position 32 all the way up to number 2 in just 20 minutes. And you're going to see everything step by step. Every one of these videos is loaded with content and tips and tricks that I've learned over the past 7 to 8 years to rank my videos and build a 7-figure a year business. And now I'm passing it on to you. And if you join me in the Facebook group, you're going to be walking side by side along with me throughout this whole process, so where we can all grow together. If this is something you know for sure you want to do, then get started now by clicking the button below. And by the time you get done with this training, you're going to be wondering why I didn't charge 5 times what I am for this course.
So let's talk about the bonuses that you are going to be getting from me in addition to YT Marketer. YT Marketer launches on the 4th of January by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So my bonus number 1, you are going to be getting access to a video training where I'm going to be showing you how to get paid on YouTube, creating videos without having to show your face on camera. I understand so many people now understand that they can make a ton of money with videos, especially on YouTube, but are not so comfortable with showing their faces on camera. Now, that's not going to be a problem because you can actually create videos and make money with these videos without showing your face on camera. So while you are actually waiting for your monetization, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create these videos If you want to make money with affiliate sales, and if you want, you are going to be able to create videos that can actually get you approved within the shortest possible period of time. So I'm going to be showing you here free tools you can use to create and edit your videos, free high quality video editors that you can actually use, and how to actually create these engaging videos and start making money with these videos in a couple of ways that I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. Also, bonus number 2. Now, ultimately, this is the secret of super affiliates. If you are doing affiliate marketing with YouTube, or you are doing affiliate marketing at all, what you want to ultimately do is build a list of buyers. Now, I'm going to be giving you access to my own active list of 1,000 plus responsive buyers that has taken me years to build. Now, normally it's going to take you a couple of years, up to 3, 4, 5 years to build some responsive list of buyers. Now, it's also going to cost you money to build this list. Now, you don't even have to create videos here. Now, you can get started mailing these subscribers with affiliate marketing offers, make money online offers to start getting paid in just a matter of hours. You are also going to be getting access to autoresponder software that allows you start mailing these subscribers immediately. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software. This allows you to drive a ton of traffic without you having to create videos. Now, you can basically search through videos in any niche, pick any of the viral videos you want to use, and place your affiliate links on top of these videos. Now, this does not require video creation. You can just search, select whichever video you want to use. If you want, you can actually upload images that will show up on the playback of these videos, and when people actually click on these images, they get taken to your affiliate link. Now, you can create call to actions, you can add opt-in forms on top of these videos to get you some traffic in any niche to affiliate offers from these viral videos. Also, bonus number 4. One way that I know based on my own personal experience to drive a ton of sales is by offering bonuses. But how do you do that if you don't have some high quality bonuses, and if you don't even have a software to create these high quality bonus pages? Now, I'm giving you access to a cloud-based software. This is a premium bonus page builder. Now, you are getting access to done for you bonuses with done for you graphics. When you select these bonuses for your pages, the delivery automatically gets created also. Now, this allows you to create and present your bonuses just the same way you are looking at the bonuses on this page. Mind you, the bonuses are done for you, the graphics is done for you, delivery is included. That's my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to 40 plus high quality products to give away as lead magnets to build your list, or to offer as bonuses to get you sales. So in case you are looking at making money with YT Marketer, with affiliate marketing now. The cool thing about doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is you don't even need to wait for approval for the YouTube monetization. You don't need subscribers. You don't need views. Just create the video, and I'm sure Chris has actually done some amazing work in explaining how to do this inside YT Marketer. So you're getting access to done for you high quality bonuses to give away as bonuses or even as lead magnets. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to some custom HD intro videos to make your videos pop. This gives you the best retention on your videos, which will automatically convert into sales if you are doing affiliate marketing, or convert into high retention views if you are looking to become a YouTube partner. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to a video training where I'm going to be showing you how I make upwards of $100 per day with affiliate marketing on completely free traffic. Of course, you get white label rights to this, to give this away to build your list also if you want. And of course, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. Now, how do you claim these bonuses? Simply click on any of the red buttons on this page. If you do that, It's going to take you to the sales page of YT Marketer, where you're going to be able to pick it up, where you're going to be getting full information about this training also. And once you purchase YT Marketer, simply log into your Warrior Plus account. Your bonus, your product is going to be waiting for you under your purchases. Click on that, go to YT Marketer, and then you find my own bonuses right next to YT Marketer. So let's go to the sales page. Here it says in-depth case studies show you the secrets of getting monetized and ranking on YouTube. YouTube legends are created here, so feel free to come check this out in your own time. Now let's talk about the pricing. This goes for $1,495. Now this is an high ticket product, but what I see here actually amazes me, and that's the fact that you can actually get a $500 discount if you get this on or before 11th of January 2022, which is pretty cool. So that's going to be my review of YT Marketer. If you have any questions, by the way, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.